The Fisheries University is Indonesia's oldest vocational education focusing on fisheries sectors that aims to develop marine and fisheries human resource and envisions to become the leading center for marine and fisheries vocational education in Asian region. The Fishing Technology Study Program educates cadets in navigation systems, fishing gear design and maintenance, and mastery of the latest fishing technology. The Fisheries Engineering Study Program aims to educate cadets with analytical abilities in the application of fisheries engineering skills and knowledge, and focuses on developing expertise in engine room management. The Fisheries Product Processing Technology Study Program is designed to produce graduates who master, develop, and apply post-harvest technology, which includes handling, preservation, and processing of fishery products, while demonstrating an in-depth knowledge and understanding of fisheries product quality requirements to meet both domestic and international criteria. The Aquaculture Technology Study Program is designed to produce human resources who have high competence in mastering the science and technology of aquaculture to maximize the potential of aquaculture. The Technology Study Program for Management of Aquatic Resources produces graduates who have the knowledge and skills to study potential, plan utilization concepts, formulaic utilization status, and evaluate water resources management both at the operational and institutional levels. The Fisheries Extension Study Program is designed to produce professional and competent extension experts who are capable to manage fisheries extension activities effectively based on communication technology in order to improve the competitiveness of fishery products. Jalanidita Sarva Jivitam. Upholding the motto Jalanidita Sarva Jivitam, which means the sea is the source of life, the Fisheries University continues to excel in utilizing sea resources as God's gift for the sovereignty, sustainability, and prosperity of the Indonesian people.